In this video, I'm going to show you how to actually match these two parts together so you can make it into one component. So if you go onto Onshape and open up one of the parts, so this one here is the hexagonal part. Then what we're going to do is we're going to create assembly. And up here then it's going to ask to insert. So we're going to insert, this is the first part we're going to insert, just anywhere at all, drop it down. Then we're going to insert other documents. So part one, the middle part, and drop that anywhere at all. So now you've got the two parts in the one drawing. What we need to do is match the outside diameter of this with the inside diameter of this, and we need to match the bottom of this plane with this plane here on the top of the spinner. So up here then there's loads of different types of mates. So the first one we're going to do is a slider mate. We're going to click the outside of this diameter with the internal diameter here. It's a bit slow here now. There we go. So you can see now it's moved over, so the two of those are matching up with one another. Next, what we're going to have to do, and this is a bit tricky, is the parallel mate. So we're going to click the bottom of the hexagon. We're going to rotate around the drawing. Remember, holding down the right mouse key until you get this part here, not the line, not the internal line, the actual plane itself. Click on that there, green tick that, and now you can see that the two of those here have been joined together. That is your completed drawing.